Hello, I'm Rahman, and this is the Exploratory Data Analysis on Global Terrorism dataset. As a defense security analyst, the job was to find out the hot zone of terrorism and what all the security issues and insight can be derived from this dataset. So, as usual, I have imported all the necessary libraries and loaded the dataset. So we can wait for the dataset to finish, and uh, there are a number of features in this dataset. Uh, we can see that there are 135 columns in this dataset, but most of them are filled with the null values. So we'll be replacing the null values with the number of zeros, which gives us the number. Now, if we look at some useful columns which can help us to narrow down the zone of terrorism, these are these columns such as the success column, the suicide, the attack types. These are the attacking type, the country. There are 205 countries, the regions of crime being committed, the weapon types, and also the targeted personals. So of course we will be selecting only the necessary columns, which are this, and we'll be creating a new data frame, customized one, and use that for the plotting options. So after that, I'll be building a helper function that will help me to plot all the charts using the data frame. Now I'll be getting insight from the dataset. If we plot the year-wise crime chart, uh, which takes some values and output this chart, which is this. As you can see that the crime has been steadily increasing throughout the year until 2008, then it becoming gradually increasing up to 2013. So we can keep that in mind, and also I will be uh, plotting the region wise crime chart. As you can see that the Middle East, North Africa, and South Asia are the two most crime committed regions of this from this chart. So if we apply this observation, we can narrow down the horizon of terrorism. Now I'll be applying this observation and getting a new data frame. Now if we apply this observation and plot that, we'll be getting that these countries such as the Afghanistani, Indian, Iraq, and Pakistan are the most committed crime countries in this dataset. We can say that these countries are the hot zone of terrorism. Now the most crime type of the recent time since 2008 is the bombing, explosion, and armed assault, and the most used weapon types are the explosive and the firearms. Now, the targeted personnel that are being targeted the most since 2008 are the government officials, military personnel, police, and the unnamed civilians. Now, the citizens that are being attacked the most since 2008 are the Iraqis, Afghanistanis, Pakistanis, and Colombia Indians. Thank you.